Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. After creating and sending hundreds of certificates, managing all those individual files can quickly become a disorganized mess. Searching for a specific certificate from months ago, or ensuring every document is securely stored, used to be a major headache. But not anymore. Smart Certificates solves this by automatically saving every generated certificate directly into your Google Drive, in a folder of your choice. This means instant access, impeccable organization, and complete peace of mind, knowing your records are always secure. Setting up your storage is incredibly simple. After preparing your form and template, head to the Certificate Settings in the Smart Certificates sidebar. Locate the Destination Folder option. Click the folder icon to browse your Google Drive. Here, you can select an existing folder, or create a brand new one specifically for your certificates, perhaps named Event Certificates 2025 Feet, or Course Completions. Combine this with dynamic certificate names using placeholders, and each document will be uniquely named and stored, making future retrieval a breeze. Once your folder is selected, save your add-on configuration. Now, every time a certificate is generated, whether through individual submissions or bulk generation, it instantly appears in your chosen Google Drive folder. Need to find a certificate from months ago? Just use Google Drive's powerful search, and your documents are at your fingertips. No more manual filing, no more lost records. This feature guarantees instant access, provides secure backups, and simplifies any future auditing or verification needs. Keep your certificates perfectly organized and always accessible. Install Smart Certificates today and experience the power of automated record keeping. Visit gwaddons.com or find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace. Stop dreading large-scale certificate events. With Smart Certificates bulk generation, you can ensure everyone gets their due recognition fast. Install Smart Certificates today and experience unparalleled automation. Visit gwaddons.com or find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace.